line between the prime and the discount is called the equilibrium, which is basically the center. It's right in between the. You want to take something.
Welcome to my house. Na 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 na. Show me na 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 na. We ain't making slow down. Welcome to my house. It's a my house, yeah. Welcome to my house. Na 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 na. Show me na 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 na. We ain't getting slow down. Na 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 na. I have just announced a stream, but like live streaming, guys. This time, not only with trading, but also with my singing talent. You want to hear my singing talent? Welcome to my house. Na, 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 na. We ain't even slow down. Welcome to my house. Yo, somebody's watching on Twitch. Shout out whoever tuned into the stream. I rarely ever have somebody watching on Twitch, but I appreciate you, man. Just drop a comment, but also, excuse me again. Let me do like test. That would be it. You're cutting out, bro. I'm cutting out, bro. No, that's how cool. Stream's lagging. That ain't fire. That definitely ain't fire, man. See, and I'm gonna try to do my best. Can't do promises, brother. Type in something into the chat real quick. I wanna see if my stuff is working. And why the hell do we have these connection problems? Like, probably because I have like a million different shit in here. It looks like I don't need that shit, but like, there's only like one thing that I really don't need. The rest I actually need to be running. Yeah, brother, let me know, is it working now? How about now? Welcome to my house. Na 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 na. Show me what na na na. We ain't even slow down. Is it now working fire? I don't think so. Show me what to do now. We ain't even slow down. Welcome to my house. Guys living with their parents. You probably can't decide the internet like either way. Like, I don't know. Because that's what parents just do usually, but this is the most ass shit ever. You know, I'm gonna do some de-advertisement, like literally degrading. If anybody is living in Germany, okay? I mean, I wish I would have like a big following, so nobody's going to use that shit ever again. If anybody is living in Germany or some kind of other country where you have that internet connection provider, which is called 1&1, so let's record this one, 1&1. If you're using that shit, or make sure to not use that shit, let me put it this way. Worst provider ever. Look at this shit. I'm paying like 60 bucks a month for having 250 Mbits, right? Shit's not working. Worst internet provider ever. Worst, most unprofessional, most shitty provider that has ever existed. Don't go for it if you're somebody that lives in Germany, or if you're like, I don't know, if you're just somebody who coincidentally also has that same internet provider in your country, but I don't think so. Worst shit ever. Most unprofessional contract. It's going to be in every single internet provider's contract. The difference is that some contracts might be just like reliable, which that clearly isn't. But yeah, how's everybody been doing, Roger? You know how you are, man? Is the stream, is it still lagging? Is it working now? Just let me know. Hang on. Is the stream still lagging, guys? Just let me know, okay? Like I need to know. Run away, I want to see. Run away. Give a fuck about the money of a mile away. You know what? I'm gonna do some hand gesture just to see. Like what? I cannot be muted. Like, can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. But I think for you, it's always some audio, Roger. I don't know why. Like, okay, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna really check it. Maybe you're right. And I'm going to wear the headphones on purpose, just like that. And I'm going to wear the headphones on purpose, just like that. Yeah, okay, it's working. Okay, so now we be rolling, guys. Yeah, it's working. All right, that's fire. Man, I have this shitty allergy, and it makes me just, it makes everything just annoying. How's everybody doing? Particles has also joined. I hear you, he said. That's great shit. You know, how has everybody's trading week been so far? We have like a little bit more people watch, and then I'll propose like an idea that I had to grow the account faster and shit. Coincidentally, I have like one, like whoever that is, he's watching on Twitch. Oh, never mind. Nobody's watching on Twitch. Nobody gives a shit about Twitch for whatever reason. I always wondered why it's the preferred platform to watch streams on anyways, like to be honest. Like not because I don't get like anybody watching there. I don't see the point of like why do people believe Twitch is better than YouTube? I don't see like a single benefit in there, to be honest. It's probably just like trading view, I guess. I think trading view could be also a lot better in some aspects, but at the same time it's the best thing that we have. Like there's nothing better. Like look at MT5. MT5, like who's going to trade on that shit? Like your MT5. So everyone went to Twitch. Oh, Roger saying they were the first streaming company with contracts and a real payment system. So everyone went to Twitch. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So what I was saying earlier, I think trading you could also be a lot better. But I mean the alternative would be this kind of shit. And my ass is definitely not going to do any sort of analysis on that. Hang on, that doesn't even look like MT5. Now, everybody knows how MT5 looks like. Articles are saying, is your GBP good? I feel like there's relatively lows below. Yeah, we're going to look at that, brother. We're going to look at it in just a bit. You guys just keep in texting some stuff, that kind of stuff, and then I am going to do an analysis, but for now, let me do some stuff real quick. DCHF daily. Okay. Like we're trading higher and higher. Like don't take it lightly, guys, brothers. Like don't take that too lightly. We're just trading higher and higher and higher. Get that Noe candle. FEG combined with relative equal lows. Let me quickly see how the position will be looking like. Like once again, I'll talk about everything that's going on in my head in just a moment or so. I mean, usually you should just take the momentum if it's there. Uh, mm, mm, uh, 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 mm. Unfortunately, I can't play music. Like, honestly, I pretty much like music. I'm a music enjoyer, if you want to like that. You broke me, but I fell. By the way, yo, talk about the money I'm on the way. Cause if I stay there, life away. You broke me by half. No, run away. Nobody would see me. Guys, we're gonna be starting with the analysis in just a bit. Yo, particles, I've just responded to you in the mentorship. Like, that's just for today. Like, I'm just telling it to you right from the start. Also, my man Ghostwhale, like, we haven't basically sat down to do the stream together. But you know, there's next days. Like, we gotta do that, to be honest. Yeah, people watching, guys, make sure to smash the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Anyways, so Ghost was saying, brother, how can I join? Hang on. go to the Mentorship Discord and join the channel. Go to the Mentorship Discord and join the channel. Tap. Does you feel me? And I'm also need to get on headphones. Like, just join the channel that is in the mentorship, okay? And that'll be fire. And anybody that is in the mentorship can also join the live stream. However, one condition, make sure to still keep the stream running, okay? You have to keep it running in the background. You broke me back. Particles was saying, what confuses me is that for AOD NZD it feels like we're only trading the big momentum, no other concepts. Now we are going to look at that real quick. There's like more things into it. But mainly, you're not even too far off. I guess for these kinds of trades, we are trading mainly the continuation. And it's really not just like the big momentum. You have to understand that what we do, and of course, ask more questions in the mentorship. I'm always there. Today I had like a very busy day, but you get my point. That is basically what we do. We focus on the daily chart. We focus on the daily range, and then we look for confirmations on 4 hour, 1 hour, and that's it, right? But our entire analysis, they fundamentally start, and they have to be rock solid on the daily. You feel me? You broke me. Yo, what's good, Ghostwheel, man?
Yo, what's good?
What's good, man? How are you?
Very, very good.
Brother Ghostwheel, make sure you watch a live stream in the background, but like don't have it totally muted. Just have it like running on, the smallest type of volume, because if it's muted, then YouTube doesn't count it. Okay?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Guys, can you please tell me, do you hear Ghostwhale well? Like, is the volume of Ghostwhale's voice and also the volume of my voice kind of the same level? Just let me know in the stream, guys. Oh, man. Particles was saying, okay, so momentum over all concepts, basically. Yeah, like, see it this way. Momentum is the very first rule that has to be there, right? And this is the very first thing that I need. I need that shit. And then from there on, you look at other concepts. This is like, how do I say, the base. If the base doesn't exist, if you don't have the momentum, you're not going to take a trade. Now, recently, I've also taken a couple of trades that were like not traditionally following the momentum. Obviously, like I'm a little bit more advanced into this. I've been trading it for a long time, but also I'm just risking it in on the small account in that sense, right? So, but for like the A+ setups, if I'm going to say, guys, this is an A+ setup, then it has to have a momentum behind it. Roger was saying you're louder, bro. Am I like significantly louder than Ghostwhale? Or, is it like manageable? Because, okay, here, I'm gonna put Ghostwhale like a little bit louder. Ghostwhale, just speak something.
Hello?
For anybody that doesn't know, Ghostwhale, one of my students who has been killing it. We have done an entire interview just about him, about his accomplishments. Go check that out. The video is called he started trading Negativity Award, something like that. The video, like I have so many videos up until this point. Like I don't know every title of it, but yeah, if you're interested in that and his entire journey, and he's also going to break down trades for you. So like either way, just check in, look at that stuff. Okay, let's do some analysis real quick, guys. So you're CHF. Let's go to the daily time frame. Are we going? Hang on. Are we going for the previous day low, previous day high? He's very quiet. Okay, hang on. Maybe like really that quiet. Ghostwhale, can you also make yourself louder somehow? So Are we going for the previous day high or are we going for the previous day low? Probably can't really tell, right? We don't know if we go for the high or for the low. Now, if you would ask me, like, just take a guess, a free lottery ticket in that sense, then probably for the high because we have liquidity in here because of this swing high and also this swing high, right? These are going to be relative equal highs. But once again, that's a lottery ticket. And I don't have a lottery ticket, unfortunately. We're not going to take it. You see, like out of the box, I really like your GBP. We are trading lower, probably also for the previous day low. But we have like a major problem in here. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles of one color. So the next candle could very much be a bullish candle. Now there's still potential to trade lower, but let me see how this will be looking like position wise, okay? We're going to go to the 1 hour time frame, put it like that. 50 pip stop loss. Okay, so we're not going to take this. I can already see this. And the reason for that is going to be, and why is this not? Let me put that into the garbage. Let me do like a new one. Apply 50. Then the reason for that is because we have to extend our entire take profit, right? So look, see it as that all this entire movement, or I'm gonna do it like green. Okay, we're professionals here. This entire movement is gifted. Okay, so most likely going to get it. We are going to trade lower. Now everything that comes below that is not gifted. Probably it will also trade lower, right? But it's just not high probability. So that entire area, which is like, you know, if you're going to put the green box into the red box, it fits in there like almost 3 times. Like 2.5 times, something like that. So there's like a lot of ungifted, right? So because the green line is like gifted momentum, it's almost guaranteed we're going to trade there, and the red line is not gifted. So that's why we're not going to take the trade, right? And I already knew there's like some sketchiness going on your GBP app, like out of experience just looking at it. But you never know before you check. AUD kind of also like a similar situation. I will go for the previous. Okay, let me like quickly take a trade on. We're on a pair where I'm pretty sure we're going to take a trade on. It's going to be AUD NCD, and then from there on we're going to look at other pairs as well. Are we going for the previous day high or for the previous day low? Probably for the previous day high, right? So we're going to go into the 4 hour time frame, right? And then we want to basically decide, are we going to trade that or not? Because we have to see it this way. Basically, similar scenario. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles of the same color. Like it doesn't even have to be color, right? Just the same direction, which is bullish. So the next candle could very much be a bearish candle, right? So I expect this entire candle to also close bearish. That's like the very first thing. Which also means that we might as well just have like a series of down close candles and only then go on to the upside. This is like a possibility. Alright. But I am probably still willing to take the trade depending on how the position is going to look like. Let me see. 50 and 10. Yeah, we can even trade all the way higher. I'm probably even going to be open refining my entry. So the take profit is going to be right in here. At the previous day high, I think it's quite worth it to do. Okay. And then I'm most likely also going to refine the entry. Like we don't really have something for the stop loss. Besides this candle low. Price goes all the way in here for that low. Basically already a little bit over for us. So we're just going to take it like that. We also have the relative equal highs in here. That's what we like. So we are not only having that sort of going for us, particles. And I'm even going to take the position like that. Like I'm just going to put the entry in here. This AUD NZD. AUD NZD. Here we have it. 0.01. But it's going to be a limit order this time. Like I am going to do a little bit of entry or refinement in that sense. Right. If we're not going to get hit before we're going to trade higher, then it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, and you have to accept it. Like that's the risk you're taking when refining your entry in that sense. Okay, I've taken a position. But let me see. There's a chance that there's going to be like a better pair for the day. Let me quickly check it out. I think that taking AUD CHF is even a little bit better because we don't even have to reach all the way to the previous day high in order for our take profit to get hit, right? So that's what I like about this trade. So for this day, I am rooting for AUD CHF once more instead of the other pair, right? So this is what I recommend. So I am going to extend the take profit to this candle high just to have it a little bit more. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. It's not really something that I could realign it to, like this candle low. It's also quite dangerous. We have to look out for it. It's a double gap. Momentum is still higher, so I'm going to trust that. But we have this double gap basically, and also a no-wick candle. Still willing to take the trade. I think the momentum is higher, and we're just going to take advantage of that. So yeah, unfortunately, there's like not too much entry refinement that you can do on this one. I am going to take a limit order either way. Right, but there's like not really something that I could base it off from. Yeah, let's just put it this way. The reason why I'm putting it a little bit below the candle because this candle has to create like a wick in that sense. So yeah. So in here we're going to take it. AUD CHF was that? Was AUD CHF? So this is going to be AUD CHF. Here's AUD CHF. I'm going to take a limit order right in here. And then here's going to be the stop loss. And then here's going to be the take profit. Okay, so we have set our limit orders and let's just watch it from here on. So once again, guys, I recommend like AUD CHF is going to be the better option for today. You know, of course, everybody's going to have to do their own plans in that sense, but that's just my plan for today. So, particles will say, okay, so momentum over all concepts. Okay, we've already done that. You're louder, bro. He's very quiet. So what's up, Ghostwell, man? Ghostwell is gone. Now Ghostwell is still here, but he's quiet. Ghostwell, either like your microphone is broken, or I don't know. Like, are you there, man? Probably not, I guess. Yeah, these are going to be basically the analysis for today, guys. Like, AUD CHF is going to be the pair. I really recommend it way more than AUD NZD, and I recommend actually not participating in AUD NZD, but just an AUD CHF. Yeah, because especially a lot of you guys just like to take one trade. You don't like to follow all of my trades, just one trade, and so like that's the thing. Okay, also before I forget it, before I'm going to drift off, and then we're just going to talk about random things because Smoker is going to join in and ask us weird ass questions. We're going to firstly do this. Hang on. So guys, I am trading, as you all know. Why is there only two orders? AUD CHF. And then we need AUD NZD. Hang on, where's it? Like, what is that shit? Positions. Why did that not get opened? Okay, NZD, AUD, NZD. I'm gonna just open it right now. It's also good. Here, limit order. AUD, NZD. Where's that shit? AUD, NZD. Okay. So hang on, just hold on for my, like, what I have to say. Just like 1 second. Okay, we got entered. Like what? Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. Oh, spoke like really bad. We have 0.01. Never mind. Okay, everything is fine. For every single pair, I've already set a default, right? So you're basically setting the default for every single lot size that you want to have in that sense. This pair, I guess the lot size was not already defaulted. And that's why it just didn't came out as we wanted. But okay, we're just going to wait it out. So, everybody that is watching, as you know, I am trading on CTrader, right? And on CTrader, you can copy trades. That's basically the entire idea of it. So you can copy this entire account, right? And like, don't get me wrong, this is a high risk account. This is at your own risk, but you can copy this entire account. Now there is going to be like a small profit split. Every profit split that I'm going to get, I am going to put back into this account while you're also just following all of my trades the exact same way and also just making money along the way. Like, see it as just helping out this entire challenge, but also just for you as something to also make a little bit of a side income. Like, no worries, you don't have to join, but that's just something that I do. Like, so you could like literally just not wake up to the stream, just like sleep, and you can still take the exact same trade that I'm taking. I am going to do like an entire announcement on the Discord, like later on. And yeah, that's basically the idea. Like, watch out for the Discord. I'm going to send in my link. Then you can join there if you want. Yeah, so Ghost Whale just disappeared. Ghost Whale is truly like the Ghost Whale. He's a ghost. He does not appear.
I'm still here. I'm still here.
Okay.
I was just watching the market and taking the trades as well. So took AUD, CHF just now
Okay.
on the limit. Got filled. So
That's fire, man. That's good. Yeah, limit should be filled by now. That's how we're rolling with. This is how we're rolling.
nice. Also nice to copy you on C trade. Don't know if is there any restriction to areas?
Not that I know about. So the thing is, so I personally use fusion markets, right? But CTrader is like a separate thing. So like for everybody that is watching the stream right now that is maybe not as familiar, there's like a broker and there's a platform to trade on, right? The broker is basically the liquidity provider, and then the platform is where you place the trades. And CTrader is a platform, so you could like be on a way different broker and still copy the trades. In theory, as long as it supports CTrader. What I personally use is Fusion Markets. That's what I just use. And yep.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice.
Like I am going to send like everything into the what's it called? Into the announcement. Like later. Like maybe tomorrow at latest, something like that, and like there will be all information just put out in a nice professional way.
Yeah, nice. I think when some people join to copy trade, their account will grow faster. I don't know the profit split, of course, but if it's like 80-20 or 90-10, then the challenge will be very, I think, a little bit faster.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we'll just do things faster, and it's also kind of like a community project in that sense. I see it because, yeah, of course, like no worries, like of course we're dealing with real money and that kind of stuff, but everybody's like at their own risk, and I don't recommend to like put your life savings on it. But of course, I am trying to take the best trades I can, even when it's a little bit more risky. They are still valid in my eyes. Yeah, this will be like a fun way to basically grow the account faster for real.
Yeah, good stuff. Let me just check if C-Trader is available in my country. C-Trader.
Yeah, check it out real quick. I think it is. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, we'll gotta set it up as well to have a look.
yeah, take your time, man. Like for real. AUD CHFs, like good one for today. Yeah, man. So we are going to do that. These are the plans for upcoming type of streams. Profit split will be like no more than 20, like nothing more. This will be like the max, but I think maybe even less. Like I'm going to see, because I also know there's like a minimum amount that you have to basically invest to follow somebody on C-Trader. I don't think that somebody can like join with $10 or something. Somebody has to. There's like a minimum investment.
Yeah. Nice. That's cool.
Yeah. So everybody, can you hear Ghost Whale now better? Like is it still
Sound
unbalanced?
check.
Sound check. Julie, sound check. Unbalanced.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're actually a little bit quiet. Like the only thing that I could do, guys, is put myself like way lower. Or hang on, I think I can do something. Hang on, I'm a professional. Do like sound check.
Sound check.
Sound check.
Smash that like.
Smash that like. Sound check.
All right.
One more time. Sound check.
Sound check. Yeah.
Okay, again, like I'm setting it up right now. I'm like putting yourself
All right.
like sound check. Okay. So guys, it should be louder now. I'm gonna also check it out. So you guys will just talk a little bit about something. Like what do you think about AUD USD trade? AUD CHF, I mean.
AUD CHF. Yeah, I was that one was not on my watch list because I'm AUD CHF, of course, always looking at the market apart some couple of hours before the 0 a.m. candle. But it formed pretty well.
Yeah, I also think as well. Like I've also checked out the stream real quick. I think now it should be fine. Now you should hear
nice.
Everybody hears you well.
Nice.
We're rolling, man.
All right.
Sound checks. Why is that so funny to me? Sound check. You know what I do? I do test. 1, 2, 3, test. That's what I usually do.
That's more professional.
I think sound check is more professional, to be honest. Sound check.
Okay. All right. Let me.
Yeah, brothers. So that's how we're rolling with. Today 6 likes, 4 more. I'm gonna do the push-ups. Gotta encourage people.
Like.
Smash that sound check. Smash that sound check.
Oh,
sound check.
It, so
sound check.
Now you got 6 likes. All right.
Yeah, man. Smash that likes. Sound check. Sound check.
2 more, guys. Let him do those push-ups.
Two
Just
more,
to
two
get some
more.
gains.
I remember there was like Andrew Tate. Buy more, buy more,
Yeah, yeah.
buy
That was
more,
on
buy
his
more.
meme coin, on a meme coin, right, or something.
Yeah, there was something like that there. Yeah, buy
He's
more,
the most.
buy more.
He's the most professional rugger of the full crypto community, in my opinion.
Rock pool.
Yeah. Yeah. Made like I believe he made a couple of coins as well, not just one, but more. But that's pretty funny.
That's actually like hilarious, you know. Yeah, I also don't think they should buy Andrew Tate coin.
No, no, you have to short those meme coins.
But like, how do you determine the top? You know, because if every single meme coin is going to go to zero, like, but where do I enter? You get me? Like, when do I know
Yeah.
the pump is over? This is like the problem.
Yeah. Yeah, it would because I watched a lot of meme coins. Most of the time, the pump is over when you see like I short them when you see less active social media posts, or you see like deleted social media, and you see also like a big dump, so like a rug pull candle, and then the volume decreases. Then it's mostly that it's going to zero. Of course, you have
That's
there's
kind of
always
that's kind of a
possibility.
funny term. Like people have actually made a name for that kind of stuff. Rock pull candle.
Yeah,
Rock pull candle.
yeah,
So I just
yeah. That's
assumed
like
that it's like a massive red candle, I guess.
yeah,
Rock
yeah,
pull
yeah,
candle.
yeah. It's like a candle. Like if you see that candle, you're like, whoa, what the fuck is going on here? And then you know, okay, this is going to zero.
This is going to zero, yep.
Yeah. And sometimes you have like a coin that's like almost no volume and almost at zero, and then it has like a massive pump, and it's like a short squeeze. Uh, and then after that, it will again slowly die, but you have like a short squeeze. Those candles are difficult to work around because those are like unexpected.
Yeah, like I
It's
haven't been
like
too much
it's
into
like
shitcoins and that kind of stuff. But it has
yeah.
always been interesting. You know, they be doing like rug pulls,
Mhm.
basically just scam. Buy more! Buy more! Yep.
More, yeah, crazy, man, crazy, yeah. And
Buy
then
more!
you and the funny part is that people do that, like they put their life savings into like when
They
Andrew
put their
Tate
life
says
savings.
buy
You know,
more, then they
yeah, yeah.
taking
You
out
want to know what
loans.
they put their life savings in? They put their life
Yeah,
savings into buy more, buy more.
man.
They
No,
put their
I
life
donate.
savings.
I
Nah,
don't need food today. Andrew Tate said I have to buy more.
they put putting it this way is like a different perspective. They put their life
Yeah,
savings
man.
not into like a mean coin. Like, don't even get me started on investment. Like that shit's no
Yeah,
investment. They put their money into buy more, buy
yeah,
more.
like a big slot machine that
Like
screams to you,
a
buy
big
more,
slot
buy
machine.
more.
Imagine, imagine we had like a guy coming up and making a coin that is called entertain buy more coin. Buy more,
Buy more coin.
buy more.
Yeah.
Maybe that has already been created. Who knows?
Let me check. Let me check. Check. Check screener. Yeah, it's fun. I think the most creative coins are already created. buy more coin, buy more.
But what happens to a shit coin that has been rug pulled? Does it just stay there forever, or does it get deleted at some point?
Depends. They have to provide like liquidity, like they have to provide the coin together with some USDT or BTC. And if they just rug pull, like get the liquidity back so people can't trade it anymore, then it will dissipate. But if they're like, yeah, there are a couple of ways people rug pull. So the first way is like
The
without
first way is
liquidity.
buy more. What
First
about the
way is
second
just
one?
fucking buy more, almost buy more. But the second way is they set up like multiple wallets to buy more at the beginning, and then they are slowly just selling on every pump it has. When every
Okay.
time it says buy more, it pumps, and then they're slowly selling with those wallets, and like they have like multiple wallets. That's called a bundle. So they're have
Well,
like a
how much
box
is
that,
like the capital? How much capital do you need to pull that stuff off?
man, there are, in my opinion, I think there are like companies or just big friend groups or criminal organizations that do that kind of stuff. I believe on YouTube there is like an interview with some of those rug pullers, and they're all, of course, masked, and they're telling about. They're also like us laughing about people that their life savings into meme coins. They're like this how do you say it? A legal way of stealing money. They're clearly saying that in the interview. Let me check.
Like,
Let me
I
check if
cannot
I
imagine
can
somebody
find it.
putting their life savings like come on, guys, you have to do better than putting your life savings into buy more, buy more. But yeah, it's hilarious. Like I'm sometimes when I hear something like that, like I don't know, woman lost 120K because a Nigerian prince or some shit. I thought about like
Yeah,
every single time I'm thinking I thought that shit is already over. Thought like we are not into
nah,
that
bro,
anymore.
it's still going on. I sent it in the general group of a Discord interview, but it's like 1 minute long.
Oh damn.
That's literally that's the how the guys behind those rug pulls.
Okay, let's watch real quick.
Do your friends and family know you're in this business?
For sure.
They know that you're doing,
Yeah.
that you're stealing.
What do you mean? I'm not stealing. It's illegal.
I mean, all these people are buying tokens thinking it's something and it's not, right? So they were
Right.
selling them something that's actually not
It's crazy.
real.
No, it's real. They get their tokens. They buy it.
Yeah, but it's worth nothing. That's the point.
No, it's worth. It's worth something. No, it's worth something. You can still make money. You can still sell.
But the people that are investing and buying the tokens don't know that their money is going to disappear, right? They're going to lose money.
It's worth something.
It's a legal way
A way of stealing.
Legal way of stealing. Legal way of stealing.
So, but if it is not illegal, why are you guys wearing masks? Why not just be openly doing it?
Just because of the fact that my face is recognizable to a lot of people. This is my Schiller, and he has hundreds of thousands of followers, verified, connected with celebrities. I'm connected with celebrities.
Right. It would basically put a stop to your lifestyle and to the connections.
And not only that, it'll just be like, oh, you're at that truck pulling, and it'll just be like, okay, well, now we can't do it no more.
Do you ever feel bad about the people that are losing all this money? We hear stories about people who've invested, all their retirement or sold their dream house or whatever. How do you feel about that?
Just gotta get it.
You don't care.
No.
To be honest, I cannot blame those people too much because the rules are fair right from the start. Like I know like a lot of people will be like poor guys, and I get that. I get that poor guys who have like put their life savings, but after all, guys, the rules, right? When you're getting into the stuff, um the rules are very clear right from the start. You know, I don't think that people should even call this, investing. This shit is not investing. This is just like, go to the lottery and like put 10 million into it and you have better chances. So my point is the rules are very, very clear right from the start. Okay?
Yeah, man.
Hang on 1 second. So here we are. So what I want to say, the rules are very clear right from the start. Like, I don't think people should have to complain something about it. Like when I'm, like I don't know, when I'm getting myself into something, right, and I'm going to lose money, then that means I have not informed myself well enough, right? Because if it's not worth doing, if I'm not able to basically take that loss, then I'm not going to participate in that kind of shit, basically, right? Like I cannot understand how people putting their life savings into that kind of stuff.
Nah, man. People, and the funny part is they will blame everybody else, but you're pressing the button of buying more.
Yeah. You're the
Yeah,
guy.
you're pressing it. Nobody else.
You're pressing the
So,
button of buy more. Buy more. You have to do it this way, or else it's not original. That shit. I thought about telling everybody to spam and buy more, but then somebody new just might join in, and he thinks that it's a rock pulling stream. Let's rock pull
yeah.
AUGCHF, guys. Buy more. We're going to flood the entire currency, man. The entire GDP of that country, of these two countries.
Let me see if maybe we can analyze another pair. Like maybe something else than metals. Let me see.
14 watchers, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, and then I'm gonna do the push-ups real quick because I want to do them now because I just got food, and I don't like to do it after the food, or at least like
Then it's then it's more difficult. Then
Yeah,
you're heavier.
shit's difficult. Yeah, then I'm heavier. Shit's heavier. Okay, we got the 10 likes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the push-ups real quick. Be right back. Ghost Whale. Meanwhile, just talk with the people. Just talk some shit. Say something. I'm gonna do the push-ups real quick. Can't hear you.
Let me see the chats. Whispering Winds. Come join us, brother, in the mentorship.
All right, guys. So we got 10 likes. So 10 likes equals to 50 push-ups. So we're gonna be doing them. Damn it, man. That last one really got me. Well, we got him, guys. We got him, boys. 50 push-ups.
Okay, now let's hit the 20. 20 likes.
Alright, so here we are again. What's good, Ghost Wheel? Have you been talking?
Good.
Oh, we were just like
Yeah, a
quiet.
bit.
Nice, man. Great shit. Okay, so Whispering Wind. We had... My name is Kuan. I'm from Vietnam. I traded with Negative RR for a while before I met you. I find your knowledge and win rate very good, so I want to join your mentorship program in the future. Share, brother. It's always open, basically. You have to go to my website, fill out the survey, and yeah. So Whispering Wind was also saying, however, my English is quite poor. Are there any other ways I can learn? Yes. So, of course, like I'm doing with the mentorship, the weekly, like the guy that is like with us right now, Ghostwheel, he is my mentorship.
Yeah, yeah, come join Whisper.
Join Whisper, you know, he's telling it to you, not me. He's telling it. Now, so what there's like a Notion, which you can also just look into. There's like a journal. So basically the journal of the entire backtest that you can look into. Then there's going to be, the backtest, the journal. Then there's going to be the Notion like explaining the strategy. You can like literally just like copy all of that, put it into a translator, and you'll get the entire information. Then the fourth thing is also going to be everything that I say, or if you're just having questions, take a screenshot, just translate it. It's going to be fast. And I can even like translate it for you manually because like the mentorship group is still like not too big, so I can still concentrate on a lot of people basically individually in that sense if they have like specific questions. So yeah, I could even like translate it to you if that's something that you're looking for. So yeah, you can also just DM me on Discord, and from there we can do things. Discipline Trader is saying do push-ups. I did them, bro. So Roger Vischer was saying, how long have you two been trading for? How long have you been trading, Ghostwheel?
Man. I've been trading for like 7-8 years, and yeah, it's been ups and downs. So I'm not trading like all the time in those 7-8 years. And I think I find some success in the last year now. But now I'm just trading a lot less because of the strategy. Just one trade today or maybe two. And I'm also just doing the prop firm challenges that limits me with taking trades, of course. So just I'm seeing less trading with me at the moment, but that's good because I got more time for other stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but myself, I've been training for 6 years now. Last year was 5. Now we're already at 6. Just like Ghostwheel, there have been ups and downs, but I've been profitable for like 3.5 years or so, like full time. And yeah. If you like want specific details about my entire story, if that's something you care about, then go to the first video that I uploaded on YouTube. It's like just raw video where I'm just driving in the car, driving somewhere type shit, and just explaining my journey, basically. If you're interested in that. Yeah, so we were talking about people who put their life savings into like a meme coin. No. Roger Vischer was saying, I'm super profitable on demo. I can jump accounts from 500 USD to over 10k and just denied almost every single day. But what is it going to be? What about the but? Tell me.
I think the but is the risk management, because if you're turning $500 into 10K, or you must have like a 1 to 10 R.
Yep.
But 500 to 10,000 is pretty heavy in one day.
Yeah, I agree. If he's doing that, that's 20 RR in like a single day. Yeah, that's like the problem. Like just as Ghostwire just said it. It is like your risk management that is the problem.
He's scalping gold. Okay, gold and BTC. Yeah. On what time frame, Roger? What time frame you use? Because scalping you can do on a 1 minute, of course, but you can also scalp on 15, 30. You can also scalp on a 1 hour. Yeah, it depends.
Yeah.
I do it about 2-3 times a week, but yeah, I can do this online. For some reason, I use the 5 minute mostly. Yeah, 5 minutes.
Yeah. Roger, there's some. Like I just wanted to have a little bit more information, but like to put it real, whatever you're doing, this doesn't work. Like I know, and I know. You'll be saying, but well, I did that and this on demo. Demo is like, if you put it this way, demo is like not an achievement. Demo is only an achievement if you have been on demo for like a very long time and it's for practicing and all that kind of stuff. But what you're doing is not sustainable. That's what it matters, right? The question is, does it work on demo or does it work on live? Because demo, you might get like a big accomplishment in that sense. But demo is never going to pay your bills. And to put it simple, if you're turning 500 into 10K, then I bet my ass on it you're risking that entire 500K to get to that 10K. And I also don't believe that you're doing it like every single week, night, or whatever it's going to be. Or if you're doing it, then before that you have already blown like 10 different accounts and then you got to that 10K again. So please, brother, like your expectations and also like these are basically the things: your expectations, your risk management, and also just your mindset. They're flawed. It's not gonna work like that. Now, of course, like talk to us further, like what is the current situation looking like and all that kind of stuff. But in general, like let's say the stream is over, made countless of videos on that exact topic that you're facing right now, where people are just going for like absurd amount of risk to rewards and risking an absurd amount of money. So yeah, man, like a lot of videos, free videos that I've done, but just like let us know about your situation and then we can further help you perhaps. If shit.
Yeah, also the thing is with demo accounts, of course, if you journal the demo accounts and you use it for backtesting, it can be beneficial. But if you're just like seeing it as a game and just clicking around and have some kind of strategy, I think if you then go live, all those bad habits you got on demo will flow into live and then you will just lose your real account.
Exactly.
So
yeah,
you're making bad habits. That's not good.
Yeah, that's also a good way to put it. Yeah, people really just see it as like a game, right? Buy more, sell more, buy more, buy more. I'm the type of person I can laugh about a single thing for like I don't know, for like months, and it doesn't get less funny to me. Like for some reason, if I find something funny, you will hear me say that shit like in every single following stream, right? And it will get annoying to a lot of people, but like I'm the type of person I am laughing about shit like for a very long time until it's not funny for me anymore. Like I promise you, I am going to predict it. At some point, I'll be saying, buy more, and nobody will be laughing at that shit, but I'll still do it, man. That's just who I am.
Yeah. That's just too funny. Man, you have to shave your head and put on sunglasses and then just...
Yeah, and then just buy more. Imagine there is like an Andrew Tate fanboy in here, and he's like, why are you making fun of Andrew Tate, man?
Yeah.
70 people watching, guys. Make sure hit the like button, alright? Just hit the like button. You know,
Smash
it helps
that
me out.
like.
Smash the like button. Buy more of the like button. Buy more. Like more. Like more. But Andrew Tate was the same guy that said he hates crypto and all that kind of stuff.
Yep. But then he recognized he can make money of it. And then he was
Yeah.
like, buy more.
Yeah, and then went, buy more. Buy more. So Roger Richard was saying, I'm going to look through your other videos. Thank you for the advice. I've only just learned what trading is this year. Haha. I've currently got my account at 150 USD, but I've lost 100 USD twice. Roger Fisher was also saying, so I'm just doing what I can to learn more before I trade more on this account. Yep. Like, you know, you don't need to rush it, man. You can really just like take a demo account, right? But just treat that demo account like Oswald said it. Treat that demo account like an actual account, right? I know that Ghost Whale is like he likes to believe that going live sooner than later is good, and I completely agree with that. Like just with a small amount, like don't trade with 100 USD, man. It's not worth it. Trade with 20 USD, 10 USD, like the least amount possible. That is still going to be more beneficial than trading a demo. But if you have like really just started out, then like just trade demo, okay? Like there's also no need to use it for that. Like learn the basics. I don't even know. Do you know what pip? What are pips? What is like a lot size? What is all of that kind of stuff?
And also just focus on the habits and the one of the most important things that I've learned also is trading is not don't how do you say it? Trading must be boring. That's it. It must be very boring. If it's not, then you're doing something wrong.
Yeah.
It must be just like doing analysis, pressing the button, and then done. You don't have to be behind the screen all the time. Of course, there are people that are behind the screen and make money, but most of the time, those are like very, very professional scalpers or traders.
Yeah. So Aben Naidu was saying, hi there, working on my negative R discipline. Negative R needs extreme discipline in South Africa. Brother, every single system needs extreme discipline. That's the first thing. Second thing, like I've made a lot of videos on negative R. Go check it out after the stream. while the stream is still up, just ask in the chat. And then after that, I've like made a lot of different videos at this point. And I think my channel has like 120 videos.
Watch more. Watch more videos.
Watch more. Watch more. Buy more. Buy more. Watch more.
Watch more videos. Come on, guys.
Watch more. Watch more. You can say that for everything, I guess.
Yeah. Eat more. Eat more. Drink. Yeah, you can do that for everything.
Eat more. Eat.
You're just a lifestyle coach saying it to fat people. Eat more. Of eat less.
Eat less. In the gym, like while they're working out.
Yeah.
Eat less. Eat less.
Oh, the trade is pumping. People are buying more.
Dude, at this point, people will be believing that this shit is a rock pull stream. Like it looks like the entire like buy more. People will be thinking that, like, guys, this like I'm not rock pulling sort of streamer or whatever. We're not doing that here. Me and goes well. Okay, but for everybody that's just tuned in, AUD CHF, we're trading negative risk reward. Currently trading into the daily high. Like not all the way to the daily high, but that's like the main objective or the main idea, to trade higher. And that's basically what we are looking for as of right now. Yeah. But yeah, AUD CHF, I guess people are just buying more. That's why it's pumping.
It's working. It's working.
Okay, Abin Naidu was saying we'll check them out. How many pairs do you trade? Is it better to focus on a few or scan all for opportunities for negative RR? So I have like a twisted opinion. Hang on. For like a very long time, I was like mastering one pair, which was USCHF, and before that, I was also trading UGBP, and I've mastered those pairs. With the negative risk reward, since I like to look for quality setups because losing is also not that fun. Losing is not fun with any strategy in that sense. I've also looked into more and more pairs, and I've also like a backtest I can show real quick. Recently, me and the guys in the mentorship have been backtesting the entire strategy together with questions live and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna show you the backtest. So to answer the questions quickly, I'm trading basically all of the pairs you see on the right, besides everything that is below USD SGD. Everything below that, I'm either just doing analysis for the stream, for other people, or Bitcoin, just something fun to look at sometimes, like as an investment. But basically everything that is under USD SGD, I'm not trading. So I like to focus on Forex, but you can also trade it in any market. Okay. So let me show it to you. That's gonna be it. Hang on, let me do like all. This is how it's rolling currently. This is our backtest. So yeah, that was basically answering your question. I hope so. I remember when I just started out trading, it was like a very long time ago. Sorry, on that stream. like a very long time ago, and I had there was some kind of kid that was analyzing like Forex charts, and he was like 14 or something like that, or it was like gold, I don't know. And I've never seen that kid ever since. And I always wondered, like, where is that kid now? Is it still, doing trading? Because at that time was like some kind of prodigy type of thing. It was like a prodigy, and I just can't remember who it was, but it was interesting.
What did he use for analyzing? Like pure price action or indicators?
I think it was pure price action with FIP and also a little bit of fundamental. I remember in the video he was talking about, so it was like a different YouTuber that was already like bigger in size, audience wise, and then he just basically reviewed that, and then the kid was just reviewing his trade basically. So he was like doing technical analysis. I remember he was using a Fibonacci, it was probably on gold if I remember, and he also used fundamentals, surprisingly. It was like a very long time ago. Like that video has to be at least like 4 years old.
I think there are two options. The first option is he became very rich and he was like, I don't have to stream anymore. or he just failed and was like, I give up and go do something else, work at McDonald's or something.
I don't know, like, why is that so funny when you have said it?
I don't know. It's like a normal thing in the crypto space. If you're getting rug pulled on something, you're back to working at McDonald's.
Dude, McDonald's working is so shit, to be honest. Like not anything against anybody that is working at McDonald's, but just like the conditions, your boss probably as well, that kind of stuff. But before I was like full-time day trading, I was also doing like some nasty jobs. So I get the experience. I was also like cleaning the floor and that type of shit. Guys, 15 guys watching, nobody write into the chat. What's up? Like, write something into the chat. How's your day going? What about everybody? Has everybody newly tuned in? Are you like watching the channel for a little bit of longer time? This time we're trading with Ghost Whale. Write something into the chat, guys. And if anything, buy more. Buy more.
Do you know that program of dirty jobs or not?
The program? You mean OF?
Yeah, like a TV program. It's called Dirty Jobs.
No, never heard of it.
No. Yeah, it's more of my generation, I think. Let me see. Dirty Jobs. It was on Discovery, I believe.
Oh, hang on. Aben Naidu was saying, found him. Trading Nut did the interview. Let me see, man. I need to see this. Trading Nut, let me see. Trading Nut. Oh, yeah, that was most likely him. Hang on. Kid Prodigy. Kid Prodigy, some shit like that.
Perfect.
15 years. Yeah.
Perfect. So we've got.
I found it, man. I found it.
Oh, 50-year-old trader.
Bloom here on the show. Now we've just
playing it on the stream right now.
Like
about a 35-minute podcast interview. Now this guy is, his Instagram profile says he's the world's youngest profitable forex trader.
This is a area of kind of support right here. At this area, I did take.
Dude, the quality is so shit.
Right here.
Okay, man. Like, I respect that.
Level.
This is crazy, man. Like, small little boy just like making a living, man.
Example here.
But I really wonder where that guy is now, because he's all training like a high risk tier ward. I really wonder where is that guy today.
Cool. All right, folks. Well, look.
Like, I wish him nothing but the best. Crazy, man. Yeah, but the rock pulling like that still stick with me. Hang on, let me watch it again, honestly.
Know you're in this business?
For sure.
They know that you're doing,
Yeah.
that you're stealing.
What do you mean? How's, I mean,
Why is the report yeah, I'm watching it again, like that kind of stuck with me. I wanted to watch it again. But the woman that's basically interviewing them, she be like, you know, so basically stealing, she wants to get like that response out of them. Like, what do you expect, man? Like, to be honest, like, I don't even think that this is too much of stealing. The rules are stated right from the start, man. And if not, then you have not done your research. You have to know what you're getting into. Come on, man. Come on. You like, don't get me wrong, rock pulling or not, this is like not
Tokens thinking it's something and it's not, right? So
not something, what's it called?
It's not a good thing, of course, but
yeah,
it's like, yeah.
It's like not, you're not helping people either. Like, yeah, let's just put it that way. You're not helping somebody in that sense, but like, come on, man.
But also, the thing is that you're still can, if you're not an insider trader, you can still make money on a rug pull if you get out quick enough. But yeah, it's most of the time people think they are getting rich by holding the coin. And
hell no.
they are the bank holders and they will hold to zero. And then you're, then you lost all your money. But if you're just
it's real.
going with the hype and get in, get out.
But people that are investing and buying the tokens don't know that
No, for real.
Still make money on it.
They're going to lose money.
To gamble and they lost. Rug it's a legal way of making money. Legal way of stealing. Legal way of stealing.
So, but if it is not illegal, why are you guys wearing masks? Why not just be openly doing it?
Just because of the fact that my face is recognizable to a lot of people. This is my Schiller, and he has hundreds of thousands of followers, verified, connected with celebrities. I'm connected with celebrities.
Right, it would basically put a stop to your lifestyle and to the connections.
And not only that, it would just be like, oh, you're that truck pulling, and it'll just be like, okay, well, now we can't do it no more.
Do you ever feel bad about the people that are losing all this money? You know, we hear stories about people who've invested, you know, all their retirement or sold their dream house or whatever. How do you feel about that?
Just gotta get it.
You don't care?
No.
Just gotta get it. He's just saying, just gotta get it. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's crazy. They got like a full interview if you're interested, but that's an interview like 40 minutes about the whole scene of rug pulling.
Yeah, oh my god, man. Like, I don't know what these guys are thinking, to be honest. Yeah, I think we have, you know, we have like an opinion on that, and with that opinion, I can sleep well, if you get what I mean. Like, what they're doing is not something good that we have talked about just a couple seconds ago.
Mm-hmm.
But once again, like, whoever has invested like their life savings in that, like, if you just like put like, let's just say a couple of bucks into it and you don't care about it, like, you know, that is like small money. Small money doesn't matter, big money does matter. Right? Unless it's like for a bigger purpose or anything like that, but all in all, if you're putting your life savings on it, then man, like, then look at it, put it this way. It could be anything. It shouldn't even have to be like a meme coin. There could be anybody coming into you from the street and saying, give me like your life savings. At that point, if you're investing that into a meme coin, that's the same stuff as if it's like a random person is just going to come up. You'd rather have a hedge fund, invest your entire life savings into my hedge fund that never existed. So,
nah, bro.
Like, either way, if you're that type of person who's going to put their life savings into a meme coin, then you'll get fucked in life sooner or later. If it's not by a meme coin, then about something else. If you're like not smart enough to avoid that stuff, like, I don't know, man. Like, everybody that's watching, please don't don't invest your life savings into A rug pull meme coin. Buy more.
Buy more.
Sound check, sound check, sound check.
Sound check. The other point is, we're talking about meme coins, of course, and most of them will go to zero. Most of them will rug pull, or you have another term, a slow rug. So it's not basically a pump dump, but it's just a pump, and then it's slowly, very slowly dying. But most of the crypto coins are just companies, and most of the companies, or most of normal companies, even if they're not crypto companies, will also fail. So that's a funny thing
They
to
have no purpose, I
think
guess,
about.
isn't it?
Yeah, it's a funny thing to think about, because if you go back 10 years, or like maybe 5 years, there are so many coins that just died and came up, lived 1 to 2 years, and then just died. So most of the coins are just rugs or not getting there. I think that the top 10, like on like BTC, Ethereum, XRP, HBAR, Quant, all those coins will be like blue chip coins, like Apple, like Nvidia, like the big stocks. But all the other coins, yeah, will just die in a couple of years.
Could actually be, yeah. So, Biluza Gucci was saying, what are the currency pairs you're trading? Hang on. Basically, all of the ones you're seeing on the top right, like on the right, besides everything that is below USD SGD. I'm gonna zoom in for you, for anybody that is maybe watching this on the phone. Here, as you can see, everything that is highlighted in red, that's that I like to look at. Everything other than that is just something analysis for other people, or just looking out of fun or interest. Okay. And then next person was saying, Diaz Phone, do you struggle with burnout? I have like a hot take on that. And might not everybody's going to follow that. I don't believe in burnouts. I don't believe in that. Like, yes, you can be exhausted. I get that. Like, we're not robots. We're not a machine. I don't believe in having a burnout, and I don't accept it. Because, oh man, it's hard to put it into words, but I think if you believe that burnouts exist, then there is going to be the chance you're going to get a burnout. But like, because burnout is a mindset thing. There's like, if you're having a disease, that's like not some kind of mindset. If you're having some kind of disease or you're sick, then you're sick. Okay, that's like a matter of fact. But burnout starts in your head, and everything that is in your head, you can't control most of the times, unless of course you have some kind of mental illness. You're like disabled. That's a different story. I don't believe in burnout, and burnout might happen like once or twice, like I don't know, like a couple of months or so, or at least like normally. I don't think that this is something, because I know people, they be saying, I got a burnout, I got a burnout here and there. They be getting a burnout every single week, man. Like, come on. I get it. Life is busy. Life's also not always, life's hard. Life's also not always easy. Especially before I was doing like full-time trading, I was also working regular job. It was like not cool time, waking up very early trading, waking up earlier trading, and that shit got on my nerves as well. But did I get over it? Yes, man. So that's like my opinion. Everybody is going to be different, but I don't like to be associated with burnout. Or even if I'm like exhausted, I'm not going to use the word burnout. I'm just going to say like, everything just got a lot and I just couldn't do shit anymore. But like, I wouldn't just call it burnout. Because burnout to me is like, I can't do shit anymore. Vilusa Gucci was saying, I can't find it on OKX. What is that? Can't find the pair on OKX. Brother, I have no idea what OKX is. Go to TradingView, and there you will definitely find the pair.
Yes.
Oh, that's like a broker.
It's like a cryptocurrency trading platform, I believe.
Oh,
Just so you can.
I think we talk a lot about
there.
like crypto. People now believe this is a crypto live stream, guys. Like I am. Ghostwell in here is trading crypto at times, but we are focusing on forex, maybe futures, maybe gold, maybe it's that kind of stuff. But like for crypto, is like more of a like we just talked about it in the stream. Like that's not something we primarily trade. Buy more, buy more. Look at the stream while I'm saying that shit. Yes, iPhone was saying, appreciate the thoughts. My trades quality just degrade over time. I find my mental gets shaky. Do you get that? I get that, but I think it's just a question of repetition and repetition. If you're going to do the same mistake, if you're going to step on shit every single morning of the day, at the next day or at some point you're thinking, man, I'm not going to step on shit because the consequences are just too high on stepping on that like dog shit, right? I think you have to do the same mistakes over and over again until you really get it. Before that, you know, you are going to lose money, and it is part of the game, right? It's not even like something that is not going to happen, but like as a general thing, you have to be prepared to also lose. But yeah, what's your thoughts on that, Ghost Wheel?
At some point, you have to just put out the shoe and just step in those shits. And accept the feeling.
Yep. Okay, so Louis1 was saying, I got some questions. What leverage are you using and how you predict your trade to last? By last, I assume you mean like time-wise. What do I expect? How long is it going to take? First of all, like leverage, like I'm just putting 1-400 leverage. Like I don't know the exact same leverage that I'm using for every single trade, because that's more like of a crypto thing. Because I've also like in the very, very beginning, I was on like crypto brokers. There you can like set up the leverage, how much you want to use. On like regular brokers, you don't do it like that. The broker is just checking if like you have enough leverage to basically put that kind of lot size into your position in that sense. Kind of works a little bit differently. Or just the same, but you don't really determine the leverage yourself in that sense. Or like not at least manually with a slider. And then how much do I think my trade lasts? Like on average, sometimes, like yesterday we had a trade that was going for like 1 hour or less. And then a couple of streams before we had a trade that went for 30 minutes. Yesterday we had a trade. Like, so we had 2 trades yesterday, so you're not going to get confused. One trade yesterday was going in like 1 hour or so. And the next trade was going for, have I still marked it out? I don't know if I still have it on my chart, but it went for like multiple hours, for like 12 hours or so. So, you know, the difference can be a lot, but most of the times you're out within 8 hours, most of the time. Hang on a second. So we back. So I hope that could answer your question. So yeah, guys, just buy more. Buy more.
Almost hit TP on the out CHF trade.
What was that again?
We almost hit TP already, but it's not. It has to. We need to buy some more.
Guys, we almost hit take profit on AUD CHF. Buy more. Buy more. Okay, I'm kidding, guys. This is not a live, like a crypto coin live stream. Like, and people might get this twisted. They be thinking, man, what the hell is going on?
What's going on? Yeah, I think I will be heading off, Star. Gotta work tomorrow, and I see this trade will hit TP when I wake up, I think. So.
Yeah, hopefully. All right, man, brother. It was great to have you here. Join the next time. It was really cool to have you here. And yeah, see you in the next stream.
Yeah, for sure, man. And otherwise, just I will be hanging out in chat.
All right, that's fire. That's fire. All right, man.
All right. All right. See
Yeah.
you.
Yes, yep. So now we're alone again, guys. No, we're not alone. Like, we're still everybody here, but those we left. Yes, it was also pretty chill, to be honest. What's it called? It was also pretty chill. To be with Goswell, like, you know, sometimes when I'm just not talking, he's filling in the silence. That way, I'm just talking and 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 talking. Then I'm doing the push-ups. Then I'm talking and talking and talking and taunting. Then I'm doing the analysis. Then I'm talking and talking. Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna be also not doing it for much longer. Chat has been way more quiet on the stream. Guys, everybody that has just like watched him, first of all, like the stream, and second of all, if you have questions regarding to the strategy, made counts of videos on that, just go check them out. I've made an entire masterclass on YouTube. DS9 almost said you could put some background music. I've tried that in one of those streams. Problem was that, what's it called? Problem was that I got like copyrighted on that stream. Yeah. But like I would love to put in music. YouTube was like very strict about copywriting. If there's like no copyright music, then yeah, we can do that. Because that's a funny thing. I have tried non-copyright music, right? Copyright free. And my shit still got copyrighted. So it's almost like there's no point. So we're gonna be doing some stuff right near the MacBook. Oh yeah, I tried to do that. It just didn't work out. Guys, is anybody taking the trades that we're taking today? Is there anybody out there? Well, yeah, after my food is done, I'm gonna do like the remaining push-ups. Because like after eating, I don't like doing 50. So I'm gonna split them a little bit. Buy more. Buy more. Now it's not so funny anymore. Buy more. So Belusa was saying, wish I could, but currency pair, not at my broker. What currency pair are you talking about? UGBP or what is it? What is it? Like, first of all, what type of broker do you have that doesn't have that currency pair? You're probably, I think you were talking about OKX. Brother, this is not a crypto live stream. Like, you can use a strategy in crypto. But like, primarily, I'm not like doing crypto analysis. You just got that probably twisted. Because we were talking about buy more, and that's like just meme. You know, just like joking around. But this is like not a crypto live stream, man. Primarily Forex. You just have to buy more, buy more. I recommend getting on like a different broker anyways, like but that's of course like your choice to do. You know? I don't know. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the push-ups in just a second. Oh, I don't need those headphones. I don't like wearing headphones, man. Party Girls was saying, I just got back after going AFK and already up 1 win and still in the trade for AUD NZD. That's just how we doing it. That's great shit, man. Particles, one of the guys from my mentorship. Also been picking up on a lot of stuff, you know, very fast. Okay, so we have 16 likes. I'm gonna do, like I've already done the 10 likes, so I'm gonna do 6 likes worth of push-ups. So that's like 30. Then I'm gonna do them real quick. We go. I just did that roll for no reason. I like to do that a lot. So yeah, man. Guys, buy more. Buy more. Particles was saying I was day trading NQ and the NYAM and actually was making quite a bit of progress. But I had to stop due to work. So this is one workaround. Yeah. I mean, I recommend trading on these specific times. Anyways, the best thing you can do basically. It's like the highest probability you're getting into the trade very early on. There's like a lot of benefits onto it, you know? I don't know. 13 guys watching. Guys, make sure to like the video, like the live stream, so we're going to get to 20 likes, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the push-ups. Particles was saying, yeah, it's very quick analysis, and I can quickly enter while I work. I don't need to be at the charts for an hour watching the 1 minute chart. That's the worst, man. That is the worst. Like being on the 1 minute time frame, like jokes aside, that's the worst shit ever you can do. I highly don't recommend that. Highly. It's like very, very annoying stuff. So definitely, like the work to life balance in that sense, and trading is like the best. So we got some chatters in here. So Eddie Hassan was saying, hi, how are you? What's good, man? You have been, I don't think you have been in the last live stream, but like I recognize you. How are you, my brother? How's trading going? We have just catched, 2 trades. Like, don't get that twisted just because they're green. Like, I'm always sort of open to share. I'm always also positive about trades. Like, not in a bad way positive, like excited. But I'm just always, I wouldn't take the trade if I wouldn't think that it's a good opportunity. So we are in these 2 trades. Hang on. AUD NZD and also AUD CHF. That's what we're doing currently. What about you, man? So then there was also Game Sun. Also recognize you. Hey, bro. How are you? Remember me? I was the one on Discord you were guiding about lower R. Brother, the thing is, I have like a lot of inquiries. When that 0 AM candle is about to hit, a lot of people are just messaging me, what do you think about this pair? What do you think about this pair? What do you think about gold? What do you think about this one? That's like why I don't know. Which one is it exactly going to be? Like, I try my best. But I remember you from the name in the YouTube. That's what I like. GameSun, you're recognizable to me. You were already in the previous live streams. So what's up, my brother? Deus Knife Phone was saying, how many pips are you up? Okay, take profit has been hit. How many pips I'm up? Hang on, can I check it? You know what? I think I have a better way. Let me check something real quick, and then I'm gonna show it to you. Run away, nobody would see me, and run away. Don't give a fuck about the money. I'm all away, mile away, mile away. Cause of that, no. So, I'm gonna show it to you real quick. Here. So, and also speaking of having that chart, right? We have just today take profit, like ROI. Oh, hang on, it's like not looking good. Hang on 1 second. Where's my mouse cursor? Where's my mouse cursor? Is just gone or what? Okay. So, currently we are up 50%, right? And then also pips, we are up. Hang on. As you can see, like on the bottom, like zoom in if you're on the phone right now watching. It's like 80 pips. And also, anybody that wants to copy my strategy and basically take the exact same trades without having basically in here, join the Discord. I am going to send in my link. Everybody can follow. Like, keep in mind, this is a high risk account. I'm not taking the exact same trades that I'm also taking with the mentorship, or also that I'm just trading on my platform accounts. But if you're willing to participate in that, and all of the money that has been made out of this account will be put back into that challenge. So, so that's like a cool way to grow. That's something I've set up. And if anybody is interested, you can copy my trades. Once again, as always, no financial advice. Seek professional guidance from somebody that is a financed advisor in that sense. And yeah. But yeah, you know what's up. You know the thrill. So, Particles was saying, I'm up 2.5% since the start of this week. That's how we're doing it. For anybody that is wondering, Particles is my mentorship. He has been picking up on a lot of things real fast. That's great, brother. Like, actually, great shit. Most people are down, we are up. Thank you for the hearts, my brother. Somebody's sending in hearts. Appreciate it, my brother. You know, I'll be fucking with you, my brother. Type of BS. Somebody's saying the doo-doo in. Somebody was saying in that stuff. Doo-doo. Yeah. How much rates do you take per day? Elinasan was asking. Always depends. Sometimes it's 1 trade, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 0. Okay? So it really depends on the market conditions. There's like no set in, okay, just 1 trade. There used to be something like that in my strategy, but now we have updated things, and you know, the updated things quite speak for themselves, guys. That's just how we're doing it. It's one of the back tests that I'm doing. Yeah. That's just how it goes. Welcome to my house. Na 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 na. Okay, so the last one that we have is basically this one. The other one already hit. Okay. You want I'm gonna show it to you in here, guys? Welcome to my house. Smokers, terrible equity curve. As always, that guy. Yeah, so that's what we're rolling with currently. Cause this is what we do. Like, we're approaching the TP. Oh, you can't even see it, guys. Like, just tell me. Like, I just don't see the stream at always in that sense. So here and I should be able to see it. Edlin was saying, if someone's or you lose, you know, like trade, how many trades does it take or days? Typically, like I did like recently backtesting session with the students. We have recovered a loss in 3 days, right? So it's not going to take like 10 different days, and it can even take way less because sometimes we're trading like 3 trades in a single day, right? So if you're going to take three of these, you have already recovered the entire loss in 1 single day. So it's not going to take you like 20 days or something like that, what people tell you with a negative risk reward. Don't get confused by these guys. They don't know better often. Particles was asking, so what was the reason for not wanting to short your GBP again? I forgot, lol. Yeah, I can tell you. Also, smokers, I have timed you out. This day, I just had enough of the trolling. Maybe next one. Okay, so here GBP, let me check it out real quick for you. So take it as this way. I did the analysis beforehand, but I'm gonna do them again, of course. So looking at the daily time frame, are we going for the previous day high or are we going for the previous day low? probably we are going to go for the previous day low, judging from this massive candle onto the downside. And also just overall, granted, we are just trading onto the downside, right? We're making lower lows and higher and lower highs in that sense, such as where there was not like really a high on the daily, but if you go to the 4-hour time frame, right, it's going to be also lower highs, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so the most logical reason to trade into next is probably going to be onto the downside, so to the previous day low. So now you might be asking, well, it was looking that fire, why didn't we take a trade onto the downside? Because these are also going to be what? Relative equal lows. Additional liquidity that we want to trade into. One swing low, another swing low, relatively equal close to each other. These are going to be relative equal lows. Okay? So why is the reason why we're not going to take a trade? Now, the very first thing that I can spot on a daily time frame is going to be of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different candles, okay, of the same color, or like I'm saying color so people just get it more simple, but just in the same direction. So it means that the next likelihood that this candle is going to be the opposite direction is quite high. The 6th candle has a higher chance to become a bullish candle. And also just a little bit of discretion, okay? But there is still fundamental reason on why I shouldn't take the trade. So now we're going to go into the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, what I just don't like is that we still have liquidity higher also in here. Now, I've also touched on this previously on the daily time frame. This was already enough of the reason why we're not going to take a trade. We have liquidity also higher. Like, don't get me wrong. This liquidity does not play like too much of a big role. Here comes the part where I decided, no, we're not going to take a trade. Absolutely not. Okay, this is going to be the breaking point. For when I was doing this, I did not want to participate in this trade. Because if we're going to take, 0 a.m., because from this point on, you're going to enter right at that candle, this will be how the position will be looking like based off of rules. This is how it's going to look like. Now, remember, this line in here, I'm going to mark it out very fancy for you so everybody really gets the point of this, okay? It's going to be the bottom. Relative equal lows. So see it this way. Hang on. Like so. This entire price action move in here is basically gifted, right? I like to call it gifted. And we're actually going to put it like gifted. Okay? But this price action point is basically everything that the price has to move in your favor, okay? See it this way. Everything that is in here is like almost guaranteed that it's going to get hit because we are naturally just want to trade into the previous day low. I'm gonna put it like so, hang on. Blue, previous day low. Naturally, we want to trade into it. But then everything in here in red is going to be not granted, right? We don't really know for sure if we're going to trade into this little bit of price action, so it's not gifted. And basically, if you're going to measure out the green box, which is like the green box is going to fit like almost 3 times into the red box, right? So if you're going to take like the exact same thing, so I'm going to do blue, like 1 time, it's like the size approximately, then another time. Okay, like not 3 times, but you get my point, 2.5 times, let's just say. So there's not like enough movement that is gifted to us by the market, right? So that's basically the point. Guys, I am going to keep this up for just 1 more second, take a screenshot, okay? And also, watch the latest video that I've just done. It goes specifically into more details, okay? Because the videos that I'm doing more lately, they cover a specific topic or a specific mindset or approach onto the charts. Previously, it was sort of like the entire backtesting session. They're also going to be more in the future, but I focus on being a little bit more specific with the concept. So make sure to watch them, guys. After the stream, go do your work. So Eddie Hassan was saying, do you believe on psychology? I think if strategy is good, psychology has no entry. Well, the strategy can be good, but you're always going to like lose. That's just a part of trading. So I think psychology will always be a part of trading, even if the strategy is good. But yes, I agree with you to some extent there. If the strategy is really good, then psychology is going to matter less. Particles was saying that makes sense. I hope so that it does. Guys, I'm going to leave it like 10 more seconds. Just take a screenshot. Okay. And actually, anybody that is watching the stream right now that has like taken a screenshot of that stuff, go to my Discord and send it into the general chat so everybody knows what's up. That we're doing like crazy analysis also in the live streams. We're not just talking about buy more, buy more. We're doing analysis in here. We're doing work, and we're doing great work. You know. Particles was saying, have you backtested any other pairs apart from your CHF? This backtest was done on 6 different pairs, basically, like not all of the ones, because you can own now like 5 different pairs, because you can only backtest 6 different pairs on FX for Play, and it's a combination of all of these you're seeing on the screen. Everything that is below USD, no, everything that is below GBP USD, I'm not trading. Okay. So yeah, to put it simple, yes, I have backtested way more pairs than just USCHF. There you go. Now, brother, Particles, you're in the mentorship. The entire journal is documented in the Notion. Every single trade entry, every single, like, literally, every single trade entry, every single opportunity, every single confirmation, every single max drawdown, every single take profit overshot, duration of the trades, everything for you, that is, like, covered. If you can't find it, just, like, let me know in the general chat, and I'm going to show it to you manually. You can watch it, and yeah, if you want to review all of the trades that I've taken on a backtest. And we're about to hit take profit. Guys, once this hits take profit, I want everybody to spam in hearts and W's, okay? Just spam in. In just a second, we're about to hit take profit. We hit take profit, guys. Everybody type in W in the chat. That's a crazy day for today. Like a crazy week overall. Everybody, guys, W. Particles W is spamming. My brother, man. Here, I'm gonna also do some. There we go. Okay, so then with that being said, that's actually a very great way to end the stream. I'm gonna do the rest of the push-ups, which are only going to be 2 because I've already done 16 worth of push-ups. And yeah. I'm gonna do the push-ups real quick. Okay, guys, let's just do it this way. Everybody that's watching right now, quickly. Everybody that's watching new, watch the videos on my YouTube channel. They're going to explain to you. I've done a lot of different videos. I've also done an entire masterclass on YouTube. Watch it. I am going to end the stream very soon. If you have last questions, type them into the chat and I'm going to answer to you, okay? Anything. I'm going to do the push-ups. Meanwhile, ask me your last questions, and then from there on, we'll either like see tomorrow after that or whatever. Last thing also, where's it? No, I think I've already said it into the Discord. Nah, I didn't. None. Nah, never mind. I've just not done it yet. If you want to copy the exact same trades that I'm also taking in this one, go onto the Discord because I'm going to announce it very soon. All right, guys? All right, I'm going to do some stuff. Right, there we go. Gosu was saying, woke up, TP hit, back to sleep. Parker was saying, definitely want to get better at my back testing. I wish I could show my losses and see if they are good, trades or not. But I want to send a bunch of chart screenshots low. Nah, man. That's what the mentorship is for. Flood the entire general chat, like the mentorship general chat, with screenshots. No problem, no worries, man. Like, of course, if you're like going to send a lot of different screenshots, it is going to take me a little of time to answer to all of them. But generally speaking, you know, like do all of them. It's no problem, man. That's what I'm here for. And yeah, I hope I can provide you with the best value possible. All right, guys. Then it was a fire stream. Thank you everybody for tuning in. And also Ghost Whale, like I don't know if you're still watching. It has also been like a fire stream with you together. It was funny. Buy more. And yeah, guys, appreciate you and see you guys in the next one. Also, Particles, shout out to you, my man. And also to Belusa for sending in W's into the chat. Also appreciate it. Okay, then see you guys next one. Bye bye.